Driving in Idaho's scenic environment is a pleasure, but vehicles are still prone to door dings, which can lead to problems if not properly addressed. This article debunks 5 common myths about door ding repair in Idaho. Myth 1: door dings aren't a big deal. Many believe door dings are merely cosmetic and don't need attention. However, ignoring them can depreciate your vehicle's value and lead to rust, which affects both appearance and structural integrity. Myth 2: DIY kits work just as well as professional repair. While DIY kits are popular, they lack the precision of professional repairs. Incorrect use can result in further damage and a noticeable quality difference, potentially devaluing your vehicle. Myth 3: door ding repairs are too expensive. Contrary to belief, door ding repairs can be affordable, especially when considering the long-term benefits of maintaining the car's value and preventing further damage. Myth 4: all door ding repairs are the same. Repair techniques vary significantly. Paintless dent repair, PDR, is less invasive and quicker than traditional methods, which involve filling, sanding, and repainting. The skill of the technician also greatly influences the repair quality. Myth 5: you can't get a door ding repaired in cold weather. Modern techniques like PDR are effective year-round, including in Idaho's cold winters. Winter maintenance tips. To maintain your vehicle's appearance in Idaho's winter, regularly clean your car to prevent corrosion from dirt and salt. Apply protective wax. Use weatherproof car covers. Promptly repair damages. Seal windows and windshields. Use rubber floor mats. Ensure regular servicing and maintenance. Understanding these myths helps Idaho car owners make informed decisions about door ding repairs, preserving their vehicle's value and integrity. Always trust professional technicians for high-quality, durable repairs. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@theratofgemstatepdr.com.